Obama caught running ISIS. Is Michelle Obama transgender? Obama is a stinky Muslim orphan. It is determining, based purely on the diction in a string, whether or not it thinks it's more likely to be a real or fake news headline. We can look into how this code works really quickly. So something easy is converting audio from my voice into a string to give into the function. I just googled Python text to speech. I didn't write this code, so we can move on. Next, something small also is this Arduino code. That's very garbage, but it just is reading from a serial. I'm just outputting something from the main Python runner, and then we can set a server angle from there. This main running class, this is just opening a serial, and this is where it makes the main call to return a string from the text to speech, and then also throw that into the machine learning algorithm. So the real meat of this is in the naive Bayes. I've never heard this word pronounced out loud, so I actually don't know how to say it. But this is mostly just calculating probability, and this is by calculating the probabilities that given each word in a string, given that word it's real, given that word it's fake. And the basic way to do that is by calculating the frequency of each word in the entire database, and then also calculating the frequency of each of those words in the real headline database and the fake news database. So in our training classes, really what we're doing is we're creating Python dictionaries that contain each unique word mapped to a number, which is the amount of times it occurs. And so we have a dictionary for the fake news, the real news, and then also a total, which just makes the code easier. And then our main implementation of the machine learning, of the naive Bayes or whatever, we're just implementing a single equation, and I have some other methods that make it easier. So you can see like the return, the probability that it's fake given a string, real given a string, probability of this word occurring given it's fake, the probability of this word occurring given it's real, and so forth. And then we can just compare those two probabilities, and if the probability is one is greater than the other, then that's how we'll determine which one's which. And that's pretty much the entirety of how it works.